In this video, we will see how to download and install VS Code on Windows 10 operating system. Open your web browser and search VS Code. Click on this link from code.visualstudio.com. So code.visualstudio.com, this is the official VS Code website. Either click on this download button at the top right, or you can click this download for Windows button in the middle. I will click on this download button. This will start downloading vscode.exe file. Wait until the download is finished. Once the download is completed, open the downloaded file. Double-click vscode.exe file to start installation. This will start the VS Code installation process. Accept the license agreement. Click Next. This is the default location where VS Code will be installed. You can change installation location from here if you want. We will keep the default installation location. Click Next. The setup will create a Start menu folder with this name for Visual Studio Code. Click Next. Select Additional Task. We can check this checkbox and setup will create a desktop icon for VS Code. Leave the remaining items as it is. Click Next. Setup is ready to install. Click Install. Wait until the installation is finished. VS Code installation is complete. If you leave this checked, VS Code will be started automatically after the installation. Click Finish. The VS Code editor is launched. Now you can start working with VS Code. Now I will close VS Code. You can also use the desktop shortcut to launch VS Code, or you can click on search box, type VS Code and click on this VS Code start menu to launch VS Code. So in this video you have learned how to install VS Code on Windows 10 operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.